channel. So today I am back with another Fashion Nova haul video. But before we get started, if you're new around here, welcome. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and also click on that bell so that way you get notified when I upload new videos. So that being said, let's move on to the video.
Right now I need a miracle. Hurry up now, I need a miracle.
So as you can probably see from the title of the video, this is a Fashion Nova haul, and I have placed orders in the past and I have loved everything that I got. But to be real and honest, every time you order something online, there is a risk that it's either not going to fit you or it's not going to be what you expected. And that's what happened to me personally. But like I said, I have placed other orders in the past and I loved everything. It's just my luck that this time, many of the outfits, I just didn't really like the quality. So we'll get to that in just a minute. But however, they are very pretty, very beautiful, but they're not the most comfortable. So let me show you the first item. So the first item, this one here, I actually really love. The quality is really good, and I think from like all of the outfits that I'll show you guys, this one is my favorite. So it's this kind of like denim dress, and it's beautiful. It is super stretchy, very soft and comfortable, and I like that it has this opening on the back, like completely backless, really pretty, and like it looks really nice on the sides. Love this one. I'll leave you guys the link to this one down below, and I did get everything in a size medium. So the next thing I want to show you guys is also a dress. This dress is a denim dress, and it is this one right here. It looks super pretty, and it looked really nice on their website as well. My only complaint about this one is that the zipper in the back is extremely hard to pull up. And it's not because it's tight, it's just the quality of the zipper is like the worst. I actually had to have my husband help me pull it up, and he couldn't even do it. So it kind of got jammed. Other than that, it's really pretty. I really wish the zipper was better quality. I'll just have to like be careful not to break the zipper when I try it on, but I don't think it's gonna last me that long, which is such a shame because the dress is beautiful. I also got this top, and when I saw it on their website, it looked beautiful. However, when I got it, I automatically knew I was not going to love it. The quality on the sleeves are so uncomfortable, very itchy. It's made out of this kind of like plasticky feel. I just don't like it at all. So I will definitely be returning this. Did not like it. And I mean, it looks pretty in camera, but it's just not comfortable at all. I also got a romper. I love rompers, especially in the summertime. And I got this really pretty black romper. It is super fancy, and it looks like this. It has ruffles in the front, and it is made out of this like see-through material, which is really pretty. But my only complaint is that when I sit down, the neck area right here pulls down, so it's almost like it's choking me, and I don't know why, because it's not tight at all. It's like perfect. And I feel like if I would have gotten a size large, it would have not looked good. But yeah, that was my only complaint. Like, as long as you're standing up and not sitting with this, you'll look fine and it won't be uncomfortable. I mean, it's definitely a pretty romper. It's just not what I expected. So I got that, and then I also got this pretty little cardigan that I'm actually wearing right now, and I got it in this beautiful green color. This one is very soft, and I loved this one as well. So that was it for my haul, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, not because I didn't like the things I received this time means I will not get anything from Fashion Nova again. I'll probably be doing another haul in the next coming months, maybe for summertime. But as of now, I didn't like most of the items. But you know, it happens, and I'll definitely be giving them another try. Hopefully it's better quality, or it's just a little bit better than what I expected. So I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your week, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.